Hi all, in this video we are discussing about Open HRMS HR Reminder in Odoo 15. Open HRMS is an open source HR management software that envisions building a happier workspace for employees. Open HRMS takes care of all your HR process while you take care of all your employees. It works well for large scale and small scale enterprises. So in this video we are discussing about HR Reminder in Odoo 15, which helps to memorize all the necessary important days in your company, and which is an effective one that helps to memorize all your important days that we set up for all your modules or all your models like the custody and then the documents and then the employees etc. So let's look on that feature. For that, first we need to install this module. So let's go to the app store. That is Open HRMS Reminders Todo, which have a technical name of HR Reminder. So currently in my database, I already installed this module. Once we install this module, you would be able to access this feature. Once we install the module, automatically a bell icon will be appeared in the sys tray of your database. So at here we can see a bell icon which have of name reminders, and at here which shows that means, for example, whatever the reminder that we set up, that reminders will be getted here. In the reminders modules, we can create the reminder requests, and while we click on this create button, a form view will appear. And here we can add the reminder title and then the model and the search by and then the corresponding field, and based on this reminder request, it will be pop up in the bell icon. So let's try to add a new reminder request. Before adding the reminder request, in the custody module, I have added a custody request which have of custody of property car, and where the requested date is 16/3 and the return date is today. So based on this custody request, I am trying to create the reminder request. So let's go to the reminder module and then add the reminder title and then the model. So I am adding about the custody. So the model is HR custody management, and the search by 3 conditions. For today, that means based on the today, that means like the date field where the, for example, based on the custody, it is requested date and the return date. Whether the requested date or return date is today, so the reminder will be set up based on today. Or we can add the set period. That means we can add a period of date, start date to end date. So based on that period date, the reminder will be shown. And then we can add a particular date only. So I am adding the today, and then I am adding the field as returned date. That means for that car, the return date is today. And then the reminder will be saved. So inside the bell icon, we can see that car custody, which as of return date today will be shown at here. While we clicking on here, we can see that custody requests that created, all the custody requests that created. So at here we can see our custody requests. Likewise, we can create the reminder requests, and then we can set a date or period range for our reminder requests, which helps to memorize all your important days in our HR domain. This eases to memorize the important dates. That's all about the feature of HR reminders in Open HRMS. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to know more details about Open HRMS, you can visit openhrms.com.